Hello, my name is Aisyah Rais. I want presentation about pandemic accelerate the democracy and the goals of the SDGs. We all know that right now we are facing an entropy, I call it, namely the COVID-19 pandemic. Almost all countries on earth face this entropy. Luckily, all of us are currently in the singularity section of the 4.0 era, where everything, all activities are assisted by technology, making it quite easier for all of us to deal with the COVID-19 pandemic compared to previous pandemic. The need for data during the COVID pandemic is very crucial, very important, because from this data, it will be processed into a step for a government to take policies that will be taken regarding the COVID pandemic. This reminds me of a topic I had read about it both in 2015 ago, namely about datacracy. This will also be the basis for the presentation that I will be delivering in the international conference LabMA Scientific Fair competition regarding what is datacracy and how this pandemic can accelerate datacracy and how it can support the realization of the SDG goals. Uh, First, I want to explain why I call this pandemic as an entropy. This is very, very attractive to me. The second law of thermodynamics explains that in an isolated system, entropy never decreases. Then I link the law to this pandemic. We, all of us, have always exist in an isolated system called the universe. The entropy or disturbance or disorder in an isolated system, which I call this universe, never decreases. As long as we are in this isolated system, the entropy or disturbance or disorder will continue to increase, and a pandemic is one of the entropy. However, what make me feel mind blowing, or we call in Jawa says pecah dase, are one of the reason that cosmos is filled with so many interesting things is because the large amount of entropy, because of the many irregularities, which in fact allow for the creation of finite units of order. When energy is poured into a system and the system dissipates that energy in a shift toward entropy, it can calm down in a regular configuration. Of course, it's a beautiful. The same the same is true in this pandemic, which I call entropy. When energy technology regulation is poured into a shift toward entropy pandemic, it can create beautiful configuration that is a datacracy. Now, what is datacracy? Datacracy is an impersonal management of a government without individual or group of leaders. Everything is fully managed based on AI, based on data collected from all citizens, from all activities of a citizen. Uh, Today, smartphones are a tool that is always inherent in us. We know that almost all of the smartphone we use every day use AI-based technology. We can see this from the use of our gadgets. For example, when we want to buy something and write it in the Google search bar, the algorithm on the smartphone will know what we want. The result will be an effect for next time to come with the appearance of a lot advertisement on our gadgets accidentally regarding it items that we want ago. This phenomenon also occurs in general application on our smartphone, such as Instagram, Facebook, Google, YouTube, WhatsApp, or Edge, where this application each have data about ourselves. Instagram with our artistic data, Facebook with our political data, Google with our activity data, YouTube with our entertainment data, WhatsApp with our communication data. If the data from this application are combined into a single data unit, it will form an image of ourselves as a composite sketch that know who we are. As a result, my smartphone knows me better than myself. And if this applied to a government, all data from every citizen combined and then added the digits data of Pancasila and UUD 1945, this will create a masterpiece, AI will calculate the desire of every citizen and plus the essence of Pancasila and UUD 1945 will create a series of the most effective and efficient policies to achieve common goals, especially during a pandemic. There will be no more wrong steps taken by the government in deciding a policy for handling pandemic. AI will take the best policy for handling the pandemic without overriding the values of Pancasila and the UUD 1945. Now, how can pandemic accelerate data creation? Uh, During a pandemic, we are aware that the need for data during a pandemic is very important, very crucial. This data is the basis for each country's step toward for future policies. Many countries took the wrong step during the pandemic. Many speculate that it was not right, delayed handling, so that many casualties occurred. I'm sure all countries will be aware, realizing how important data is, how important data accuracy is, how important is any data that has been collected. I'm sure that this awareness will make many countries plus this 4.0 era to quickly implement data accuracy. And the Indonesians that are also going to change from the principle of democracy to the principle of datacracy. Not only that, datacracy will also help to realize international ideals in the SDGs. Datacracy will create a clean government, good governance, the creation of the most efficient, effective, and relevant policies to realize the 17 digits of 17 digits goals. 17 SDGs goals. Maybe the datacracy will not happen as fast as turning the pump, but I believe this entropy that occurs will make a beautiful configuration that name is datacracy. Thank you.